Blessings to my friends. Welcome back to another YouTube health video. If this is your first time seeing my video, my name is Beverly. Today I just want to share with you one simple fruit we should always keep at home. It does so much for our body internally and externally. Come, let me show you. The fruit I was talking about was papaya. Papaya can be used as a deep conditioner. Papaya promotes hair growth, increase circulation of blood flow, prevent baldness, and allow growth of healthy hair. Papaya high in vitamin A content of sebum. Sebum is your body's natural oil balanced production, keeps the hair conditioned without making it too greasy. All you need is depend on the amount of hair you have. If it's a small papaya, half. If it's a big papaya, you cut in 4 equal parts. And you use half a cup of yogurt. Yogurt removes dead skin cells, and it contains vitamin B5 and D, which promote hair growth. Remove skin and seed from papaya, blend until creamy. And then you add your yogurt, apply mixture to the hair, starting from the root to the end. Cover with a cap for 1 hour. After rinse and dry, you add oil of your choice. I use different oils. I have argan oil, castor oil, peppermint oil, tea tree oil, jasmine oil, and so on. And right here you could see this is my papaya right here, my papaya oil, which I made at home. This is what I use. So right now I'm going to combine both ingredients, the yogurt and the papaya. Now I'm going to add my papaya and I'm gonna blend the papaya. As this is done, so now I'm gonna pour this out in a container, and then I'll add the yogurt. You're gonna make as much as you need for your hair. If your hair is a lot, then you need to add more. But for right now, this is it. So I'm gonna add the yogurt. After mixing, this is what it looks like. Now for me, I'm gonna add 2 drops of tea tree oil in it right here. And then I just stir and you apply. So this is what the mixture looks like. I hope you like this video. Please do not forget to share, like, subscribe. If there's anything in this that you're allergic to, please consult with your MD. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye-bye. If you try this, please leave me a comment and let me know. Please share with others. We are all in this together. Ta-da!